Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to just be cleaning up my kitchen, living room, and guest bathroom. When I clean, I like to do certain sections on certain days. Just today, the kitchen and the living room needed the most attention. Our master bedroom and bathroom were good to go. So was our spare room. The guest bathroom needed a little bit of cleaning up because I use that bathroom to do my makeup in since I don't have a vanity. So I went ahead and got that cleaned up also. I do want to mention that I do have OCD, so I kind of wanted to show you guys what I have to deal with. So I left in some parts of me dealing with my OCD and going back and back and back and redoing things and taking a long time to make a decision if it looks okay to me or not. So I left that in there so you guys can see what I deal with on a regular day basis. It's not just the decor in my house, it's multiple things. But yeah, I'm really excited for this video. I think the editing turned out good. I'm getting really good at editing these cleaning videos for you guys, and I'm really just happy with the progress that I'm making. I put in some really upbeat music for you guys to get you guys up and motivated to clean your home. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to be popping in here and there saying things on certain clips just to let you guys know what I'm doing. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Again, the cleaning product that I'm using is my normal cleaning product that I always use, which is vinegar, window cleaner, and rubbing alcohol mixed into one. It's the best cleaning agent in my household. Vinegar and alcohol is really good for disinfecting and cleaning with. So yeah, that's the cleaning product that I use. If I do want an extra clean, I'll just go over everything with Lysol wipes. But so far, the vinegar, rubbing alcohol, and the window cleaner has been doing an amazing job. It works on granite countertops, stainless steel, glass, mirrors. It works great on everything. So that's what I've been sticking to. I'm also going to be redoing the decor in my house, not drastically. I'm just moving some things around just to give myself a little bit of a different point of view to look at, and I think that certain things will look better in other places. Sorry. So yeah, I'm just going to be moving that around and seeing if I like it or not. And those are the parts where you guys will definitely see my OCD come in. And also whenever I'm doing the blanket on the couch, you guys will see how much I struggle with seeing if it's perfect to me or not. And also with the kitchen island, you guys will see me struggle with that also. So I left those in there just so that, again, you guys can see what I deal with my OCD. guys, so that's it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope this video got you guys up and motivated to clean your home, because that is my goal, is to motivate you guys and get you guys up and cleaning and put out these videos to, just help you guys. So yeah, if you really liked it, go ahead and click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications to get notified whenever I upload. I don't have a set schedule right now. I do try and upload at least once or twice a week, so that's what I'm aiming for. Just depending on how my wrist feels, because as you can see, it is wrapped in the video. Just depending on how my wrist feels that day, if I can clean or not. I was cleaning with my left hand mainly in this video, just to give my right hand a break, because at work that's when I use it the most. So after I get off, I'm really exhausted and my wrist is really hurting, but I wanted to get this done because one, my house needed to get clean, and two, I really wanted to do a video for you guys. But go ahead and leave a comment down below for any video suggestions that you guys may have. I'm always doing cleaning videos. My next video that I really want to do is a linen closet organization, but in the meantime, I will still be doing clean with me's, just until I get that video recorded and edited for you guys. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.